What's up, boys and girls? Brock's installing pucks on his front end to make it look like a trophy truck. These things on the top hats of his struts and springs, or whatever you call them. That one's in. Now he's doing the other one. So what you be do? So you pull that right there.
Okay, don't be telling me what to do.
And then lower control arm bolts.
We're not gonna...
And then bolting in the top hats. Did you put Loctite on that shoes?
Yes.
Okay. Look at that mirror glass finish.
My Cook Pro. And you got my aftermarket Chinese antenna that was black and turned bronze.
That's hot.
Sun. My reflection. Pretty good.
The TRD Pro antenna.
TRD Chinese Pro, now it's all like bronze instead of black. With that carbon fiber.
Oh shit, focus.
And that the bug on it.
Sick dead fly on that shiz. Come on,
hot.
focus. Sick carbon fiber dead flies.
That's a mod actually. Put a dead fly mod.
I'll give you all the updates on this thing. Chocolate milk mod. Dang. I don't think I showed these Pro Comp wheels. He got these like, I don't know, 2 months ago or something. This thing's gonna be riding like a rally truck. Let's see. Yeah, look at that front end compared to the back. He's got pucks coming on the 19th, November 19th.
Video will probably be out by that time. Your soul's gonna get it here.
No, dude, I'll get it out tonight.
You're right.
This is just a update.
Don't look at my clear coat spots falling off. Okay.
Oh, you want me to show them all your clear coat spots? Clear coat gone. Clear coat gone. Foggy headlights. At least the clear bra's gone. Look at this paint difference. There's a clear bra on the left. It's gone because he peeled it off. And this is what the paint is on the right. So it needs a hardcore buff. Buff and compound. If anybody's looking to buy one of these bed covers though, they're pretty sick. Locks and everything. Don't know what brand it is? Brock, what brand is this?
On the shop, I think. That's how brand it is.
Undercover?
Yeah, undercover bed cover.
Undercover bed cover. Freaking mint. Pull handle. He's got these locks on each side. Mint. Wheels going back on. Let's take it for a test drive. So we're freaking high off the ground. You can see the decline as you look back. You can see it tilted down. Okay, there's a jack. The jack's right there. I don't want you hitting that. Back. Look at that shit. It's pretty dope.
Dude, it feels... I'm not even kidding. It feels like it turns so much easier now.
Because all the freaking weights lifted off or whatever. I don't know what's up. Seatbelts buckled, baby.
Yeah, it turns literally like 6 million times easier now.
Million?
Million. Look at this. Effing easy. Oh my god, it feels so weird.
I don't really notice. Is your parking brake out? You got that shit off?
Turn it off. It's a V6, dude. It's not a 4-cylinder turbo. Stop it, say it's V6. Dude, I felt so weird driving
It feels like a donk.
Who the f is that?
He's been parked there all night.
Oh my god, dude.
Check out the underglow, baby.
I literally feel like I'm too far back. So I keep touching my seat.
You're too far back because it's inclined.
So it feels like I am. On the road.
I mean, you should probably watch the road.
I am.
Turn off your fog because you're a lot higher off the ground now. You'll be blinding these people.
Dude, you don't even know how many people have flashed me because
You're a
Lights.
truck and you got lights.
yeah.
Well, they look like brights and they're not.
Are those brides, bro? I'm gonna flash these keys right
You don't need to.
Bro, this little brown I can't see. They're like cars a bit.
Ooh. Does the steering wheel wobble like it used to? When you let go of it? Is it still?
Oh, it feels good. It's a little bit to the left.
As in let go of it and it goes to the left?
Yeah, it goes to the left a little bit like how it used to, but not bad though.
Well, I don't think you messed with your alignment because we didn't touch those tie rod ends. TRD intake? Is that what that is? You got the TRD? And Dad's got the custom?
Dad's got a custom BS. Dude, it feels so.
It feels... I mean, the ride quality, I don't think it really even changed.
It shouldn't have. We didn't do anything to springs.
I just thought those pucks were gonna change the damping because, I mean, we haven't really hit any bumps, but...
Why?
I was gonna say take you through there so you can test the bumps, but it's straight mud, so
It's what?
It's straight mud over there.
No, it's fine. Oh my god, we don't picture this. Sketch.
It feels pretty good. Honestly, though. You just gotta make sure if you hear any clanking to pull over immediately. Don't pull a Jaden.
That's why I need my light bar.
What brand are these pucks even?
Don't know.
eBay special?
No.
Because this road's pretty hefty. It's got whoops in it. Don't be hauling keister through it.
I'm doing 20.
Up here it turns into whoop section.
It's okay. My truck likes that. Just kidding.
Ooh, whoa!
Hey!
Hey, look at those whoops. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's honestly not even that bad, bro. For how bad this road is, it's not even that bad. As my hand shaking the camera violently.
Not horrible.
These seats are pretty comfy. I don't hear any clanking, so I think you're good. Okay, you better be doing 25 through here.
I'm doing 50, it's fine.
Oh,
Yeah, it feels so much easier to steer now, though.
well, that's good, I guess. I don't know why would that be? There's less.
I don't know, just like less, more, I don't know.
Well, you got more travel on your springs now, don't you?
Yeah, something like that.
Higher center of gravity, maybe?
I might pull the left a little bit.
Higher center of gravity.
Oh, it's left a little bit, yeah. But it's not bad.
Here's the finished picture. Look at it. But hopefully it's something like this for a little while, because we got the back ones coming, so we can on the 19th, and we'll get this fixed. But for now, it's gonna look like a trophy truck. Whole front end in the air. Yeah, well, that's the install and whatnot, and the test drive. I'll post this, and we'll be done until the 19th. Thanks for watching. Just come back on the 19th.